I
ng
think there are,
bawat.
tama po ba, 7 articles of impeachment? Kayo, Congresswoman, saang article of impeachment kayo naka-assign? Kung di ba usually pag mga prosecutors may hatian nga yan, katulad po ng sinasabi ninyo.
Yes. Yung isa ko po ay article number 1. Yun po yung...
That is, tama po ba yung plot to assassinate the president? Or, yeah. Okay, so the first article of impeachment is the alleged threat by the Vice President to assassinate President Marcos, Speaker Martin Romualdez.
Yes. Getting or contracting with another person to have the President, the First Lady, and the Speaker of the House killed.
Gaano po kadalas yung pag-prepare ng Kamara? Kayo po ba ay nagmi-meet pa rin on a weekly basis? Is there a definite date? Given na ngayon, lalo na naka-adjourn na po kayo, Sine-Die, and 2 of the 11 prosecutors ay graduate na dahil po hindi sila pinalad noong nakaraang eleksyon.
We meet every week, and we have a big group meeting. We break down into smaller groups depending on the article or depending on the need to meet. But we've been preparing since February. On a personal level, we do our own research or studying at home, and then we collaborate with the other lawyers when we see them on a weekly basis.
Kayo po ba, Congresswoman, may kapartner po ba kayo sa pagtalakay noong unang article of impeachment among the House prosecutors?
Yes.
Would you say kung sino po yung kapartner niyo among the House prosecution members?
Congressman Defensor.
So kayo pong dalawa. Iba po, baka gusto niyo rin pong i-disclose sino pa po yung sa ibang articles of impeachment sa pagkakaalala ninyo.
Hindi ko maalala. Diba? I had a list, but I deleted the list from my phone. But I remember Congresswoman Luistro to be part of the second article dahil in-announce din niya po noon yun.
Since February pa naman po in-announce yung list of prosecutors noong bago nag-adjourn yung House of Representatives, I'm just curious, Congresswoman, kayo po, paano kayo tinap specifically to be a House prosecutor? Kasi I think it's your first term in the House, tama po ba? And you've played a rather quiet role in the past 3 years, although that's not to diminish your role as Assistant Majority Leaders. You've filed almost 100 bills in your first 3 years. Pero yung pagiging visible nyo sa media, parang nangyari lang recently noong natap na kayo as House prosecutor. So how were you chosen to be the House, to be a part of the prosecution panel?
I was invited by a good congressman friend. The first thing he said was, kailangan namin ng lawyer. Well, I'll keep the rest of the conversation. And then I said, sige, dahil para sa bayan naman to. But I was a little maybe worried because yes, I'm normally a quiet, shy person in Congress. So I knew that it will change from then on.